Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keyboard disappeared on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see restart from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management and search keyboard from here. For example, search keyboard and click on storage usage and click on clear data and clear cache. After clear cache keyboard, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so reset all settings. Click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. And click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.